Neo took his pistol out and put it in hostage's hand.
Ready. Stand by. Go.
Can we shoot through the door?
Yeah, if you can see someone.
You see anyone?
But I just open the door and put shots through it.
Door? Open. Stun! Bang!
Right. Over down.
Switching.
Ready?
Oh!
You killed me.
Yeah. You're all dead. You're all dead.
Oh, yes.
You're all dead.
Go down, Dad. Keep going. Keep going.
What's your head?
Hold up. Moving dead bodies.
You don't want to be dead again. Right, you're open.
Door. Go.
Wait. Ready?
Right.
What's that?
He's dead.
Still.
You ready?
Okay, make your way.
Wait, what's that?
He did. And cut there.
I call that acceptable losses.
There's no losses.
As you see there, they come through. They done
She had a gun.
everything right.
She had a gun.
Neo took his pistol out and put it in hostage's hand.
Now, I believe we salvaged that situation perfectly.